I don't know. That would
Okay.
be my answer. And I would, all problems are solved by questions and answers. So the question would be, since there is a number for it, and then there is a name attached, a name of a person, and that's very important. The name of a person, that person, if that person is still around, should be talked to and say, did anyone assign you to do this? And if so, whom? And if someone assigned you to do this, for what purpose? And everything has a purpose. If people are working, if people go to work every day in a coal mine or driving a bus or whatever. So, in most jobs, people are kind of told what to do. Sometimes they're told why they're doing it, and sometimes not. So that would just be the process, the due process, as they call it. Find out what a person is doing, why they're doing it, and what plan that they use to do it, and then if they can find out what was the purpose for doing it. And I'm quite sure somebody has some official purpose, and there could be some unofficial purpose. And because people are doing things all the time, around the clock, all over the world. So if you're going to search for truth, which you always should be looking for the truth, regardless of where it leads, because that's how all problems are solved. You get the truth first. So that would be the process. That would be the compensatory process, as I would say.
Yes, sir.
Right. Just say, what are you doing? Why are you doing it? And for what purpose? For what ultimate purpose? Or what temporary purpose? Or whatever the purpose is. It might be several purposes. But what are your purposes for doing this?